show you how the snow gun works for your pressure washer. I purchased this the other day off of Amazon, and what it does is it connects to the end of your pressure washer. You can add some automotive soap into it. I bought some Mr. Pink soap off of Amazon, and something you want, I'll add it to my store. Click on the link in the description of the video, shoot on over there. There's also a link in the header of the channel. You can click on the Amazon store, shoot over, check it out. So basically, to use it, all you need to do is press the gun into the tip of your pressure washer. There's a knob on it. That is right here. So you can adjust the output of the foam. So I have it set on high right now, and I'll show you how it applies. We have the Mr. Pink stuff loaded in here. We have 1989 regular. We're gonna wash this off. Let's go to town. About this stuff is a little bit of product goes a long way. You didn't have to add a lot of the Mr. Pink wash in here. You dilute it with water when you use the gun. These guys didn't send me this stuff. I bought it on my own to see how it worked. Let's go around to the back. So once you have the soap applied, you can grab a wash mitt and a bucket, wipe everything down really good. So the detailing mitt here, I like using these and a scrub brush on a long pole in the trucks. Jeep down, you can put the other head on your pressure washer and just rinse all the soap off. Product went a long way. It went a long way in the snow foam gun that I have. I could probably wash a couple of vehicles with it, probably 2 or 3. It was pretty fast. Worked really well, and it's an easy thing to do if you want to, soap up your vehicle really quick. Go around it with the wash mitt. You have a truck that's high up. You can use like the soft brush on a pole, like I was showing you guys. But it's a good product. I'll put it into my Amazon store if you want to check it out. And like I said, I used the Mr. Pink car wash as well. That worked pretty good. So hope you liked the video. If you have a question, leave a comment. Give the video a thumbs up if you like it. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, guys.